Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am making green chili enchiladas. These enchiladas are loaded with chicken, chili, and cheese. It's a super easy recipe. First, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started. You're going to need 3 chicken breasts. Make sure to season both sides with salt, pepper, and garlic. And you can add any other seasoning you like as well. After seasoning the chicken, you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 minutes or until the chicken reaches internal temperature of 165. Now it's time to shred the chicken. I use my stand mixer by placing one chicken at a time, letting the mixer do all the work. You can shred the chicken any way you like that's easier for you. After you're done shredding the chicken, place the chicken in a pan and then add 1 family-sized can of cream of chicken and stir together while cooking for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Now it's time to add the green chili. I used 5 green chilies. First I rinse out the seeds and then cut the chili and place them with the chicken mixture and cooked on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Now for the corn tortillas. You're going to need 12 corn tortillas for this recipe. First, add some olive oil to your pan and cook each side of the tortillas for a few seconds, making sure to not overcook them. In a casserole dish, place 6 corn tortillas on the bottom and then pour the chicken mixture over. Then add some shredded cheese and then add the remaining corn tortillas. Then top it off with as much shredded cheese as you desire. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until cheese is fully melted. Make sure to keep an eye on it, you don't want to burn the cheese. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. I will be doing some Instagram shoutouts on my next video. My next recipe, I will be making some strawberry Rice Krispie treats. Hope to see you all then, and thanks again for watching!